Mr. JJ's Math Journey, Factors and Multiples. Factors and multiples. Oftentimes we get them confused, so let's define them. A factor is a number that divides another number evenly, meaning no remainder. So for example, 2 divides 8 evenly because 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So 2 is a factor of 8 because it divides it evenly, but also 4 is a factor of 8. I'm the factor ninja. I chop numbers up and make them smaller. And a multiple is the number you get when you multiply a number by an integer. And an integer is a whole number. So like 3, 4, 5. 2 times 8 equals 16. So 16 is the second multiple of 8. It's the second because we multiplied it by 2. So what is the third multiple of 8? We'll find out later. I'm the multiple monster. I multiply numbers to make them bigger. So let's look at 12. The ninja makes them smaller. The monster makes them bigger. So let's look at the multiple monster. 1 times 12 is 12. That's why 12 is the first multiple. So 12 is the first multiple of 12. And 2 times 12 equals 24. So 24 is the second multiple of 12. 3 times 12 equals 36. So 36 is the third multiple. 4 times 12 equals 48. So 48 is the fourth multiple. And 5 times 12 equals 60. So 60 is the fifth multiple. And we can keep going and going and going. Now let's look at factors. 12 divided by 1 equals 12. So 1 and 12 are factors, and you can combine them in a factor rainbow. So 1 and 12 are like the factor pairs. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 2 and 6 are also factors. They make another factor pair that we can show in the factor rainbow. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So 3 and 4 are another factor pair, and we can show those in the factor rainbow. So here we have the factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, and the multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, etc., etc. We can show factors and multiples with a Venn diagram. The red circle is the multiples of 12, 12, 24, 60, 36, 48, and the blue one is the factors, 1, 6, 3, 2, 4, and also 12. So notice that 12 is a factor of 12, and 12 is a multiple of 12. I hope this makes sense, and I hope it clarifies the difference between factors and multiples. Multiples are bigger, factors are smaller. But the number itself is always a factor and multiple of itself. Thank you for watching. This is Mr. JJ's Math Journey, Factors and Multiples.